Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility, and this is your tech friend, tech assistant Ratul here. Today we are going to learn how you can easily remove any voice from any music. Do you want to create a karaoke and do you want to sing a song and you are not able to create a karaoke, or you are not able to find the perfect karaoke for you? Okay, just download the original song and then listen today's video or watch today's video. You can easily convert the total song to a karaoke. You can just remove the voice from your song, and please watch the video till the end, because at the end I will give you some important instructions, important words to you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like the video, if you share the video, then I can make more videos for you. I will get more charge, I will get more positive. Okay, so share the video, like the video, and obviously comment your questions into the comment section. I will make a video to answer it. Yes friends, I will make Q&A video for you. So if you have any question related to your mobile, related to any problems you are facing related to PC, so every questions are also welcome. So don't forget to comment your questions into the comment section and watch the video till the end. If you want to connect with us, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below, and also we have Telegram group. The link is in the description below. Join our Telegram channel, Telegram group. Also, if you want, you can follow us on Facebook page. So now let's start today's video. To do this, you have to use Telegram application. I have already made a video on how to use Telegram application. If you haven't watched it, just go and watch it. Just check our playlist or YouTube channel, you will find this video. Okay, so now I am opening my Telegram.
100 from lifestyle. Open. 100 light. 1 voice remover bar, separate vocals and music.
Here I have opened a bot window. A bot is a what is bot? Bot is a very useful chat assistant. It's a computer. You need to chat with them. Just you can chat with any bot and you can do lots of tasks. I will discuss about more Telegram bots in future if you want, but for now I am discussing about a very simple bot. The bot you can find in our Telegram channel only. So to do this, you have to join our Telegram channel. Okay, so after opening the bot,
go back, but voice profile picture, more options button.
Yes, this is profile picture, more options, everything you can get, because this is a Telegram profile, but the profile is not made by a human. The bot is made by a human or designed by a human, but the profile is not a human's profile, it's a bot's profile, robot's profile. Okay.
List. What can this bot start? What can this bot do? Hi, I am voice remover bot. You can split music and voice. Just send to me audio file, open parent MP3 OGG at 3 full stop close parent dash open start.
So you have just to click on start to start any bot. Now I am clicking on start. Let's see.
Go back button.
Bot will answer. Okay, bot will send message.
Voice profile more up list. What can January / start. Hammer and wrench. Please choose your language / received at 17:13.
Please choose your language
flag.
Means
United Kingdom English button.
Choose your language means your user language. Here there are two options: United Kingdom English and
flag. Russia button.
Russia.
Out of list. Flag.
I'm clicking on English. I'm just clicking on English. After clicking on English, there are new message come.
Flag. You have set language to English. Received
Okay.
at 17. Go back button. Voice remover bar, separate profile. Globe showing America's processing queue. Hammer and pick settings.
Settings. You can also setting something. Let's see what are the options in settings.
Globe showing scissor separation type : vocals / accompaniment. Musical score output format : MP3 open parent compress close parent. Locked hide my files from public heavy -sign. Reverse button main menu.
Reverse button.
Record voice message button. Attach media. Scissor reverse edit box. Settings down arrow is edit box. Message out of list. Show keyboard. Button.
Show keyboard.
Attach
Okay.
media. Red. Reverse button main. Scissor
Reverse.
separation. Musicals. Locked hide my files from public heavy minus sign.
Locked. Hide my files from public. Okay.
Globe showing America's change language.
Change language. If you want to change language, you can do this. Okay, so I will try to send the music from my directory. I mean from my file manager. I'm going to my file manager.
System launcher. Daily use. Daily use. Tool. Daily use. Open. Solid explore. OP open. Oitor Monrajan.
So I'm sharing
Action
it.
share.
Telegram.
Tell. Loot. Tell. Group. Catholic chat group. Bot. Voice remover. Send. Can. Send.
I'm just sending.
Voice remover bar separate vocals and music.
Let's see.
Musical score output format :MP3 open parent compress close parent. Locked hide my files from public scissor separation. Locked hide my files from public heavy globe showing America's change language. If 62.8 KB mon underscore Raj underscore Nuraj underscore 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 Subho underscore Drishti underscore Sonu underscore Nigam underscore Shreya.mp3 file has been downloaded. Start processing. Received
This
at
is
17:16,
the original process
1 of 9.
which I have
List,
sent to
9
this
items.
bot.
Music vocals underscore mon underscore Raj. Music mon Raj
Listen
and
carefully.
Nuraj. Music vocals underscore mon underscore Raj underscore Nuraj
This is
underscore
the
underscore
vocals.
underscore
Okay, I'm
underscore
swiping from
Subho
left to right
underscore
again. Next
share
message.
button. Music accompaniment underscore mon underscore Raj underscore Nuraj underscore 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 Subho
Accompaniment
underscore
means
fire check our share button. Fire
Okay.
check our instant Mediabit fire button. Share check our latest news and channel at mad underscore bots.
okay.
Join support share fire
So,
music
you have received two files. One is accompaniment and one is vocals. So the file name starts with vocals is only vocal, and this file name starts with accompaniment is only music. I am not playing this audio because due to some copyright issues, but still you can do it very well. Just send message. You can also send hi. You can also send anything. Bot will help you to do everything. Okay, it's not a big issue. I know you will be able to do it, and it's totally free of cost. You don't need to pay anything, and one more thing, you can do unlimited at a time. So this is for today, and I know this video is very helpful for singers, especially to practice singing. And now disclaimers for you: don't use this as your commercial purpose, because when you create karaoke by using this application, as the karaoke is extract from the original audio or original copyrighted song, so your video will be copyrighted if you upload this karaoke to YouTube. Be careful. It's only for your practice purpose I am making this video. So this is one disclaimer, and I hope you can use. Just comment below how this video is help you, or how do you like this video. If you want to get in touch with us, join our Facebook group, Telegram group, or Telegram channel also, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.